For this installation, you'll need a trim tool. Start by pushing in the on and off button on the light. Hold it in and use your trim tool to pry out the end to remove the clips holding it in. Here we highlight the clips and how they hold the lens in. Pull out the incandescent bulb. Install the LED bulb. And test it. Replace the lens. Line up the clips and push the lens in, and then repeat those steps on the other side. Push in the on and off button and hold it. Use your trim tool to pry free the edge. Pull out the incandescent bulb. Replace with the LED bulb, and then test it. Replace the lens. Line up the clips, and then push it in until it clicks in place. For this installation, you'll need a flathead screwdriver. Begin by flipping down the visor and flip up the vanity. There's a small gap at the bottom of the light. Use your screwdriver to gently pry it free. Pull it down to remove the top tabs. Now use your screwdriver to pry out the incandescent bulb. Install the LED and rotate it so the LED chips face out. Slide the top of the lens in first. Then push in the bottom. Now repeat those steps for the other side. Pry out the bottom of the lens and pull it down. Pry out the incandescent bulb and replace it with the LED. Slide the top of the lens in first, then push in the bottom. The new LED bulbs are a huge upgrade from the incandescent bulbs. Begin by opening the center console. In the front of the console, you'll see the light housing. You can use your fingers to pull it out. Now, turn the socket counterclockwise to unlock it. Pull out the incandescent bulb and replace it with the LED bulb. Test it, and we can put it back together. Line up the tabs on the socket with the slots in the housing. Install the socket and turn it clockwise to lock it. Push the housing back in, and your installation is complete. For this installation, you'll need a trim tool. Start by pushing in the outside of the light. Use your trim tool to pry out the end, then slide it to remove the clips holding it in. Use some tape and wrap it around the incandescent bulb. Pull on the tape to remove the bulb. Install the LED bulb. And then repeat those steps for the other side. Push in the outside of the lens and then use your trim tool to pry the edge free. Wrap tape around the incandescent bulb and pull it out. Replace it with the LED bulb and then test it. Replace the lens. Slide in the outside first and then push it in until it clicks in place. And then do that for the other lens. For this installation, you'll need a trim tool. Begin by opening the tailgate. There are 4 clips holding the lens in. Use your trim tool to gently pry out the lens. Here we highlight how and where the clips hold it in place. Remove the incandescent bulb. Replace it with the LED, and then test it. Push in the front of the lens, and then push up the other side to lock it in place. And a huge upgrade from the incandescent bulb to light up the entire rear of this passport. The new interior LED bulbs are great, and a huge upgrade from the incandescent bulbs.